Hello student, let's try to understand a problem. This is quite good problem student. They are saying define the term osmosis. So what is the osmosis student? The process of flow of solvent molecules through semi-permeable membrane from the solvent, pure solvent to the solution, or from solution of lower concentration to the solution of higher concentration is known as osmosis. So keep in mind student, osmosis is flow of pure solvent to the solution through the semi-permeable membrane. The question second one is what is osmotic pressure? So student, let's try to understand osmotic pressure. The pressure, extra pressure which is applied to stop the flow of the pure solvent student. So osmotic pressure is applied where is student? That is solution side to stop the flow of the solvent molecules from the pure solvent to the solution. This is now student. Let us go another point student. What is the advantage of using atmospheric pressure as compared to the other qualitative properties for the determination of molar masses of solute? So like that we are having so many qualitative properties like the elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, relative lowering vapor pressure. Okay, so these so many things are there student, but why we are not using, we are using only the pi we are using student, osmotic pressure. What could be the reason here? So let's try to look over the reason student. The osmotic pressure method has the advantage over other method because pressure measurement is around the room temperature, and the molarity of the solution is used instead of the molality. So what we are using is student, molarity is being used student in the osmotic pressure. That is why it is okay. At the room temperature, what they are saying, the pressure measurement is around the room temperature. So here around we are using at the room temperature, and molarity of the solution is used instead of molality. Now the second one, it is magnitude is large as compared to the other qualitative properties even for very dilute solution. So student, you will find that is molar mass in case of osmotic pressure it becomes very high student, like 1,05,000, 1,50,000, it becomes so much student. So that is what they are saying, its magnitude is large student as compared to the other qualitative properties even for the dilute solution. That is why what we use student, we use osmotic pressure to calculate the molar mass of the biomolecule such as protein, amino acid, right? So this is all about the answer student. Thank you so much for watching.